welcome to the Future of Maintenance and Reliability Conference 2022. Let's give a huge round of applause, come on.
The event is very fascinating because we have this opportunity to learn from other industry. As example just now on the JKR, whereby they have this system to monitor the potholes and also in terms of the buildings and structure. So I think it's quite fascinating for me personally.
It's a great event. I expect that we will learn a lot of information. We will get more knowledge about maintenance and reliability.
It's a good opportunity for all to share their experience and thoughts, ideas, methodologies to the rest of participants, regardless of which sector that you are in.
The event's been fantastic so far. We're here, we're halfway through day one. It's been a pleasure to be involved in some really informative speeches and presentations on a real diverse range of topics.
I believe it's a a lot of informative content, especially about the maintenance and also the digital marketing. It is actually very good knowledge for me and also for the company.
The crowd have been phenomenal. It is going off on social media in there, lots of interactions, some great questions, and everybody's learning as much from the crowd and the questions as they are from the speakers and the presenters.
Definitely, I will recommend this event to my colleagues and others OPU in my business because I found it fascinating and it's value for money.
Yes, definitely I would recommend all of those who are involved in the maintenance to attend this course, including plant managers, facilities managers, and also top management ranks.
This is definitely an event that I would be back for in future years. Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to being here next year.
We are looking forward to receive more invitation, especially from Petronovex.